أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا. إنا خلقنا الإنسان من نطفة أمشاج نبتليه فجعلناه سميعا بصيرا. إنا هديناه السبيل إما شاكرا وإما كفورا. إنا أعتدنا للكافرين سلاسل وأغلالا وسعيرا. إن الأبرار يشربون من كأس كان مزاجها كافورا. عينا يشرب بها عباد الله يفجرونها تفجيرا. يوفون بالنذر ويخافون يوما كان شره مستطيرا. ويطعمون الطعام على حبه مسكينا ويتيما وأسيرا. إنما نطعمكم لوجه الله لا نريد منكم جزاء ولا شكورا. إنا نخاف من ربنا يوما عبوسا قمطريرا. فوقاهم الله شر ذلك اليوم ولقاهم نضرة وسرورا. وجزاهم بما صبروا جنة وحريرا متكئين فيها على الأرائك لا يرون فيها شمسا ولا زمهريرا. ودانية عليهم ظلالها وذللت قطوفها تذليلا. ويطاف عليهم بآنية من فضة وأكواب كانت قوارير من فضة قدروها تقديرا. ويسقون فيها كأسا كان مزاجها زنجبيلا. عينا فيها تسمى سلسبيلا. ويطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون إذا رأيتهم حسبتهم لؤلؤا منثورا. وإذا رأيت ثم رأيت نعيما وملكا كبيرا. عاليهم ثياب سندس خضر واستبرق وحلوا أساور من فضة وسقاهم ربهم شرابا طهورا. إن هذا كان لكم جزاء وكان سعيكم مشكورا. إنا نحن نزلنا عليك القرآن تنزيلا. فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تطع منهم آثما أو كفورا. واذكر اسم ربك بكرة وأصيلا. ومن الليل فاسجد له وسبحه ليلا طويلا. إن هؤلاء يحبون العاجلة ويذرون وراءهم يوما ثقيلا. نحن خلقناهم وشددنا أسرهم وإذا شئنا بدلنا أمثالهم تبديلا. إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا. وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله. إن الله كان عليما حكيما يدخل من يشاء في رحمته والظالمين أعد لهم عذابا أليما.
Has there not come upon man a period of time when he was not a thing even mentioned? Indeed, we created man from a sperm drop mixture that we may try him, and we made him hearing and seeing. Indeed, we guided him to the way, be he grateful or be he ungrateful. For the rejectors we have prepared chains, yokes, and a blazing fire. Indeed, the righteous will drink from a cup, of wine, whose mixture is of Kaffir, a spring wherefrom the slaves of Allah will drink, causing it to gush forth abundantly. They perform their vows, and they fear a day whose evil flies far and wide. And they give food in spite of love for it to the needy, the orphan, and the captive, saying, We feed you for the sake of Allah alone, no reward do we desire from you, nor thanks. We only fear a day of distressful wrath from the side of our Lord. So Allah will protect them from the evil of that day and give them radiance and happiness. And their recompense shall be paradise and silken garments, because they were patient. They will be reclining therein on adorned couches. They will not see therein any burning sun or freezing cold. And near above them are its shades, and its fruit to be picked will be lowered in compliance. And amongst them will be passed round vessels of silver and cups of crystal, clear glasses, made from silver of which they have determined the measure. And they will be given to drink a cup of wine whose mixture is of ginger. A fountain there, called Salsabil. And round about them will serve boys of everlasting youth. If you see them, you would think them scattered pearls. And when you look there, in paradise, you will see pleasure and great dominion. Their garments will be of fine green silk and gold embroidery. They will be adorned with bracelets of silver, and their Lord will give them a pure drink. Verily, this is a reward for you, and your endeavor is accepted and recognized. It is we who have sent down the Quran to thee by stages. Therefore be patient with constancy to the command of thy Lord, and hearken not to the sinner or the ingrate among them. And mention the name of your Lord, in prayer, morning and evening, and during the night prostrate to him and exalt him along part of the night. Indeed, these disbelievers love the immediate and leave behind them a grave day. We have created them and strengthened their forms, and when we will, we can change their likenesses with complete alteration. Indeed, this is a reminder, so he who wills may take to his Lord away, and you do not will accept that Allah wills. Indeed, Allah is ever knowing and wise. He admits whom he wills into his mercy, but the wrongdoers, he has prepared for them a painful punishment.
وَإِذَا قُرِئَ الْقُرْآنُ فَاسْتَمِعُوا لَهُ وَأَنصِتُوا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ.
So when the Quran is recited, then listen to it and pay attention that you may receive mercy.